Okay, so today I'm doing a review, just the opening. I'm not going to have any video until I actually start using it. Decided to get the Osmo Pocket from DJI. I haven't had them for very long. Also got the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. Apparently this is actually a wireless port that you can sit it on. You can control it actually from your phone as well. I've downloaded the app already, haven't used it. Like I said, it's not even open yet. This is also a clamp so you can actually put your Osmo Pocket. And this is not quite sure. Not quite sure. I'm a big camera buff to an extent, but I do like the DJI products. I've only had one here recently. I like this one because I've seen a lot of reviews and a lot of videos, and the reason that I do it is because, well, it's me. Why not? But the one thing that I bought into with the DJI, I can't say it. I don't know why I can say it. It's because I've had the drone, the Mavic 2 Pro that I purchased, and it has that little gimbal at the bottom. It has the same camera that you can actually take great pictures with. So I was in love with the drone because it flies awesome and it takes awesome pictures. And when they introduced this one, the Osmo Pocket from DJI, I was pretty excited. So I figured I picked one up. Let's just see what actually comes in it. If I could open it. Apparently I can't. I never have anything to open these. Why do I do this? I don't know why I do this. For those of you that take a lot of pictures like myself, if you follow me on Facebook, you'll notice that I take a ton of pictures. And a lot of times I do have a pro camera as well, but I bought that several years ago. Oh, and it's actually a little square, if I could find it. And I was really contemplating between this one and a GoPro. GoPro is normally for people that actually they do a lot of sports or deep water diving because it takes great pictures and it's waterproof. Or if you're out in the rain, not a lot of people take a lot of pictures in the rain, but I usually do sometimes if I'm out. I like to do a lot of videos as well, but instead of using my phone, I like to have something that's a little bit more portable. So that's why I purchased this, and I was excited when it came out. I don't have to have the, kind of like with the GoPro, every time you grab it and you're doing this. It's no different than using your phone. My phone's a little bit bigger. But this one right here, the pictures don't do it any justice. Because, like, just for reference, I had a Twinkie. I can bring a Twinkie. So, the smell of new plastic. Oh, and it comes in, looks like a little waterproof case. That's fun. What else comes in here? Something stuck. Comes with a little booklet. How to use it. Something else in here. It's at the bottom. Oh, the silica gel packs. See here. So I was pretty excited as far as getting it. What is this? I should be reading instructions to better understand where all the pieces go, but I've seen enough videos to actually understand. This is the phone connection that you have on the inside. But the gimbal, once again, is one of the parts that I really liked. That's really fun. It says remove. So, the little gimbal. I like it because, like I said, the gimbal actually follows. I've seen a lot of reviews being done on it that the camera itself would only focus when you turn it around to yourself. If you're making videos, it would focus on the back as opposed to my face. So everything in the back would be in focus and my face would be a little blurry. But I heard there's a new update that I need to go ahead and download to make sure that when you're talking into the camera itself, that it focuses on your face and not so much the background. But that's 90% of the videos out there right now that have done it. Remove before powering on. Oh, so that keeps it from moving, just like the gimbal on my DJI Pro 2. So there it is. It's pretty small, as you can see, and it has the touchscreen right there. So I'm pretty excited about that because it also has a touchscreen. I mean, I was going to go with the GoPro 7 Black or the white one because I'm very familiar with the GoPro and I have all the connections to that. But once again, it has a lot of stuff to go with it. This one, you know, you just hold on to it and you just turn it towards you, and it has facial recognition as far as when it's following you, or you can follow a subject. Now, my DJI drone has the exact same thing, but flying above an object at about 200 or 300 feet, it'll follow to a certain spot. I did that with my truck, and if I turned underneath the tree, it wouldn't notice that my truck went under the tree, and on the other side I'd come out, so it would stop right before the tree, of course, because it would lose sight of the subject. If you keep the subject in place and not under anything, it will do perfectly fine, which at one point they'll make it to a point that it will notice if the object goes underneath the tree or anything else, and just keep following. But I understand that, you know, the technology isn't that far in advance, but it is, because just look at what they've done with this. This is just so awesome. I'm pretty fucking excited. I can say I said it. So so the drone I like for my aerial footage, but this is something new, the Osmo Pocket. We'll be taking a lot of video, showing them later. As you can see here, this is, oh man, camera. I'm recording with my other camera as well. As you can see here, this is what I usually carry with myself when I go on vacation. I take a lot of pictures, or it's normally, as you can see, where I'm recording, it's also the phone. So now, in comparison, you can see what I'm gonna go from on the two. So, going from this that takes 4K pictures, and my phone as well takes 4K pictures and or video, just depending on the resolution and how to use it, that it's going to be good or bad. It just depends. But I'm pretty excited. Thought I'd share that with you all. Oh, forgot to open the expansion kit. We'll do that as well. Oops. So, as many videos as I've seen, this piece right here itself, you just slide this off and slide this on, and you can actually connect it to your phone. Okay, it's pretty simple. It just slides right on, and you'd hook it up, and you can actually see the screen. Well, glad I got insurance if I broke it, because I have two left hands. I asked the people at Best Buy that if I could actually charge my phone on this. They didn't say that I could, but it looks like it does have a connection right here. So I'm guessing that this dock could also be used as a charger, but it is a wireless controller as well. With the app that you download, you can actually control it and take pictures with it. I was more interested, again, in the wireless feature as well. So if I'm taking a time-lapse video that I always have with my drone that takes wonderful pictures, that's great. This is one of the things that actually comes in the expansion pack that you can actually mount. If you have a backpack like I usually carry, it would actually go perfect with that. And this one actually came with a 32 gig. Not that I will use the 32 gig because I take so many pictures. I actually have a couple of the ones that I have with my drone, and I usually use 128 gigs to download pictures and put stuff onto both of my drones. I'm glad that they both use the exact same memory cards. The other thing that I really like about DJI, I can't say it, I just can't say it, is the fact that it's, I work with Mac. Everything that I've changed over from PC to Mac is what I like about it, especially that I use Final Cut Pro X. I've had that program for a couple of years when I started going back to school for programming classes and other things that I've wanted to learn, of course, about computers and cameras, but I haven't learned as much with cameras, more programming. Either way, I'm very familiar with Final Cut Pro X and iMovie on Mac, so it makes it easier for me to acclimate myself with the programs that it comes with, and what I can transfer things in and out of as far as my computers. So that's a great thing. So I don't have to pull out my PC to make sure that I'm able to use it, but it is compatible with PC as well, but it pushes more for Apple. That's pretty much it. And it also, well, let me tell you some of the pieces as well before I go, because it's not a really good review if I don't tell you about all the pieces. Of course, with the expandable thing, it comes with a memory card for 32 gigs. For me, that's not enough. It should be 128 or 500 gigs. You do come with a little wristlet. Is it wristlet? Whatever. That you can actually tie with it. It comes actually in the box. And of course, you have your charger. You have your phone connector. And of course, this one to protect where your phone connector goes right there. So I don't know if it comes with a pre-charge, but let's try it and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Okay. So there you go. It's turned on. It's actually pretty. Holy crap. Device not deactivated. Okay. This comes with a fully charged battery. I did not know that. A lot of times you have to charge everything. But it's okay. And the stand is pretty awesome. So let's see. Not activated. Okay. Those are the things that come in the box with the DJI Osmo. Comes with that charger and wristlet or thing to hang it and connection to your phone. The expansion pack comes with, of course, your mounting bracket. So if you do your backpack like I do, or you can pretty much clamp it wherever you like. And it also has a roller to get through everything, or turn it, take pictures, turn it off and on, or zoom and do a panoramic because it goes all the way around. You could do that as well. So when you take this little piece off, you can just connect it. It slides right on. Oh, whoops! I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna break this the first time. There we go. It's just very snug when you put it in. It kind of feels like, oh, booger. I don't have a booger. Okay, I don't have a booger. To slide it on, oh, this is a lot easier than having to look. That's awesome. That's awesome! Woo! This is really awesome. So, it just, all right. Tilt lock. All right. So tilt lock. Flip. Oh, that's awesome. So I don't have to turn. Well, I knew you should have done that, but you know, because I'm playing around with it, not knowing what it's doing a lot of. But as you can see, it's following my face. So if I'm looking at it, every time I move, it follows me. So facial. Oh, you can't see it, but every time that I move. Oh, I'm in frame. Well, I guess I have to calibrate it as well. Oh, man. But this is how I do reviews. It sucked, but I'm going to get better eventually. So that's pretty much it. The expansion pack, clamp, wireless charger or wireless remote that you can hook up to your phone. And I'll test out the charger part, but I'm pretty sure you can connect that to that and charge it. And of course, the little extra buttons here. Oh, device not activated. Connect DJI emote. Okay. So there we are. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. There you go. We have that and the Osmo Pocket. Hopefully I'll have, that's pretty much all that comes in it. Oh, yeah, that's right. And this also comes with the Osmo Pocket. This nice little, looks like it's waterproof, but it's nice in case you just stick it in your pocket. The gimbal is a great thing, great addition to my camera family. As you can see, I use Nikon before as far as the larger pictures, and here's a D5500, and it takes great pictures. But I'm using this more for travel, so I don't have to lug around that huge camera unless I'm looking at taking pictures of larger items, or I just want a better picture quality. But this is a 4K camera and video camera. So we'll see how that comes out, and I'll be back with movies, pictures, and stuff like that. Y'all have a wonderful day. Later.